Welcome to the channel, to the Crypto Andrew channel. The Steelers won, so I'm pretty happy about that. But let's look at crypto now. I'll be live today, 11 p.m. Central Time, and tomorrow, 11 p.m. Central Time. I didn't go live yesterday because I was absolutely exhausted, so I do apologize. But usually I go live Saturdays and Mondays at 11 p.m. Central Time. This upcoming Saturday, it will have to be altered again. I don't know if I'll probably just go live again Sunday and Monday next week. But either way, usually it's Saturdays and Mondays. I digress. Let's look at Atom Coin. I believe the low on Atom is in. This is a coin that I did talk about a lot several months ago. I kind of lost faith in it, but I do think the low has been put in. I no longer hold it. Maybe I should just kept holding and DCA'd. Now I exchanged this for Bitcoin because I believe in Bitcoin more. I don't know if it's going to give you the same kind of numbers because I do think this is going back to $9, $10 in the next 3 months. But I'll show you why I think that. Right now, you can see that let me start on the weekly. Weekly's overbought. That's why I'm a little bit hesitant to be bullish on it. But like the smaller time frames look good to me. 3-day looks okay. The 2-day looks pretty good, and the daily is starting to round out, make a rounded bottom. So you have a low down here at $3.63. You have another support as of right now because you broke it the other day. Support at 420. That was a very strong resistance. Now it's support at 420. And now our next resistance is all the way up at $5.63. Usually, after a massive dump or a long dump for months and months and months, when you do rally and cross the 21-day moving average, then you usually gap up to the 200-day moving average on the larger time frames. On the daily, that is sitting at $6.46. That will come down a little bit even if price goes up. But what's going to happen is that you're going to start to see this kind of go sideways as a price comes up. So that's what I'm expecting. Maybe this doesn't happen, but that's what I'm expecting. It's about to break it on the 12-hour. When you do break it on the daily, if that happens, then you look at the 2-day. Then that'd be up at $8.12. On the 3-day, it'd be up at the level of $8.82. And on the weekly time frame, you have it all the way at $14. So long term, I do see this going back to those levels. Like you have resistance up here at $12, and you have more resistance up here at $17.30. I am bullish on this right now. By the way, I did open a long on this. I do want to be transparent. I opened a long at this at $4.46. So far that's doing pretty good. My stop loss for that is below support at 420, and on the 4-hour time frame it's overbought, but the 1 hour is breaking out. You also have a rising wedge, which I did not see because I just looked at this for the first time right now. And your rising wedge would technically be from that last massive local low, and that could get you a rally all the way to that resistance up there at $5.30. So that is pretty likely to actually get hit because that's a resistance and that's a measured move. I love what I see there on that time frame for Atom. So this is not financial advice, but this is a trade setup. It might be a little late to get in. It's higher risk because you're not really sitting near support. Where I got in, you were sitting right on support. I did let my trading group know about it. So if you want to join that, link to join that is in the description below. But that's kind of my update. Right now, I do think it's making a move at least short term to 530. Not financial advice. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you hit the like button. It's the least you guys can do. Hit the subscribe if you guys are new, and then hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. Again, I'll be live here in just a few moments. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the live stream. If not, I'll see you guys in the next live stream tomorrow night, 11 p.m. Central Time. Until then, trade safe. Have a great night. Go Steelers. Cheers.